Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to source Pokemon cards for reselling. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to get started with reselling Pokemon cards. How do you actually go ahead and source cards for resale? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now there's basically about 3 to 5 main ways that I've been able to source Pokemon cards in which you could actually go ahead and use those cards for resale on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, or even TCG Player Market. So the first place that I've been sourcing cards has been through Facebook groups. Okay, so with Facebook groups, ideally I try to get collections at bulk at around 70% TCG market prices. This has been pretty successful for me. I'd say the highest negotiation that I've been able to deal with so far has been around 76% for a collection at TCG market prices. But ideally, you want to get them to be as close as 70% as possible. Okay, so 70% TCG market prices. So Facebook groups has been an excellent source. I basically turn on notifications for different Facebook groups, local Facebook groups that I'm in, and anytime someone makes a new post, I get a notification, I check out the collection. I always ask for a TCG market pricing list, and then I just times that by 0.7, okay, and then that's what I offer. So sometimes people are really quick to get rid of their collections, and that's what's worked out for me. The second place that I've been able to source cards has been through Facebook Marketplace and OfferUp. So I like to consider local Facebook groups as its own separate thing, just because if people are posting on local Facebook groups, sometimes they're really quick to actually get rid of their collections. But with Facebook Marketplace and OfferUp, which are both third-party marketplaces, those are other good ways to actually go ahead and acquire collections and cards at 70% market value. Now, the third place has been through eBay. Okay, so trying to snipe like low-level auctions on eBay has been a good way to actually go ahead and acquire cards as well. And then aside, I haven't really had much success. I'd say the majority of my sales come from OfferUp, Facebook, and Facebook groups, local Facebook groups. But eBay, I've gotten like cards here and there at lower than market value. It's kind of hard to get 70% market value from eBay. I really have had no luck getting cards from TCG Marketplace, but eBay, once in a while, I'll get a few cards from there if I actually bid on auctions on eBay and they're well below market price. Now, the last way that I've been able to source cards has been through local game stores, okay? So local card shops, local game stores, they usually sell at market price. So this kind of disregards my 70% aim for when I'm trying to get collections or raw singles from. Because local card stores usually sell at market price, when I buy cards at local card shops, they're usually only between like $1 to $5. And then what I'll do is I'll actually try to sell it for more of a premium price on eBay. So with that premium price, I try to mention like the centering is really good. It's in near mint condition. So my appeal or my target audience for these higher market price cards are for people who are looking to try and grade these cards. So usually it'll be around like a 20 to 30% market markup when I'm buying the card at market price. Okay, so that's essentially how to source cards for resale for Pokemon card reselling. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below.